Dinda Liliana Yono Putri, number list 19.
My name's Muhammad Iqbal Yusuf, list number 12.
My name is Amira Nur Fauzia, list number 2.
My name is Fani Rahmasani, list number 5.
My name is Gilan Kurnia Arif Saputra, list number 9.
Hello everyone and welcome to our video. In this video, we are going to explain how to make the running LED circuit. Before we start our explanation about it, we are going to explain electronic circuit. So, what is the electronic circuit?
An electronic circuit is composed of individual electronic components such as capacitors, transistors, resistors, inductors, and diodes, connected by conductive wires or traces through which electric current can flow. The combination of components and wires allows various simple and complex operations to be performed. Signals can be amplified, computation can be performed, and data can be moved from one place to another. An electronic circuit can usually be categorized as an analog circuit, a digital circuit, or a mixed signal circuit. Perf board and stray board are common for testing new design. They allow the designer to make quick changes to the circuit during development. Examples of electronic circuit are RGB color sensor, flip-flop, the running LED, counter, etc. In this video, we'll explain how to make the running LED circuit with Arduino Uno. The running LED circuit is animated like they move from one LED to another LED. And this running LED circuit can also be made according with our wishes. For example, we make name board from the LED lights or decoration on the wall, so that it can give a beautiful impression.
Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega328P. It has 14 digital input-output pins, 6 analog input, a USB connection, a power jack, an IC SP header, and a reset button. It contains everything needed to support the microcontroller. Simply connect it to a computer with a USB cable or power it with a AC to DC adapter or battery to get started.
In this tutorial, we need an Arduino Uno, USB cable, a breadboard, some LED, and we use 6 LED in this tutorial. Some 3030 resistor, we use 6 resistor in this tutorial, some jumper wires, laptop.
Now we start for arranging all components to breadboard and Arduino. First, connect the LEDs to the breadboard. The shorter leg of LEDs are connected in parallel. Second, connect 330 ohm resistor by connecting in series with the longer leg of LED or node. Connect the sorter leg of LED with the jumper wire. Connect 330 ohm resistor by connecting in series with the jumper wires. Connect the USB cable to Arduino. Connect the LEDs to the digital input of Arduino. In this tutorial, there are 6 LEDs. We connect them from 2 pin for the first LED until 7 pin for the last LED on the digital input of Arduino. Connect the jumper wire, which is connected with the solder leg of LED, to the ground pin on Arduino.
After arranging all components to breadboard and Arduino, now we make the algorithm of the running LED circuit by using the Arduino application on your laptop. First, prepare the application by installing it. If you already have the Arduino application, then open Arduino application on your laptop. Connect the USB cable from your laptop to the Arduino. If it is successfully connected, the on LED in Arduino will light up. Return to the Arduino application on your laptop. The Arduino which is connected earlier will appear the Arduino type and port on the lower right of Arduino applications window. The Arduino type which is connected is an Arduino Uno, while the port which is connected is COM port. Then, we set the Arduino type and the port before we make the algorithm. In this Arduino type and port should be the same on the Arduino application setting. To set the Arduino type, by click Tools on Arduino applications window and select Port, and then click the Arduino Uno. To set the port, by click Tools, then select Serial Port, and then click the COM port. If it is set, we are ready to make the algorithm of the running LED circuit. The function of void setup in this program is all command which will be read once. On this void will be include 6 LEDs as output because we use pins as output, so we type them with pin mode. In this circuit we use pin 2 until pin 7. So, customize the algorithm with pins of Arduino. The function of void loop in this program is Arduino will be read repeatedly. On this void, we set the LEDs to run repeatedly because we use digital input, so we type them with digital write. In this circuit example, we want the LEDs run alternately with 1 second time delay. So, type the first LED with high, then type the delay to 1000, and then type the first LED with low. In this algorithm, means the first LED will on during 1 second, and then the first LED will off after that. When the first LED is off, type the second LED with high. Then type the delay to 1000, and then type the second LED with low. In this algorithm, means when the first LED is off, the second LED will on during 1 second, and then the second LED will off after that. Do it repeatedly and don't forget to customize with the digital pins. You are done, check algorithm by click verify icon. This function for checking the algorithm whether there is an error or not. If there is no error on your algorithm, then click upload icon. This function for uploading the algorithm to the Arduino in order to make it works according to the algorithm which is made by us. Wait a few seconds until it is finished. After uploading the algorithm of the running LED circuit to the Arduino, the LEDs will run alternately with 1 second time delay. Have a great time doing it and good luck!